Hi Russell, my name is Michaela. I spoke on the phone today to David, who told me to send this message over to you. I am just contacting carpet cleaners in your area, primarily just going over your websites with you, showing you how your competition is getting so many leads and how optimizing your site in 3 easy steps can help you get more leads as well. It's all full of free information. I just ask that you send me a quick email when we're done watching this and just tell me your thoughts on the video. So to start with having some background in digital marketing, I can tell you that Google looks at 3 specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. And when I mention content is anywhere that actual text or words show up on your website. So you have a few words here, a little bit of information here, and that's it. So not much content, right? It always amazes me how a lot of well-trained website designers build all these websites without a lot of content. Content is crucial for ranking websites along the Google platform. Primarily, its purpose is to help Google understand what your business is about. Obviously, when we build a website or have a website built, we have like keywords or information here, but Google needs to be able to find that information easily. Let me give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always your #1 search result. Because it has so much content, it's easy for Google to find it. Same scenario here. Anytime someone in your area types in carpet cleaning for whatever area you live in, Google looks through a bunch of websites to find who has that information on their site. So the more content you have and the more keywords you have on your homepage, it makes it easy for Google to say, oh, automatically, Superior Carpet Cleaning is a carpet cleaner in this area. So it pushes you to the top of those search volumes by having more content. Google likes to see anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on just your homepage alone. And then for every additional service page that you offer, Google typically recommends between 750 to 1,000 words of content on that page as well. Again, ranking each individual page is going to make it easy for Google to find you and have multiple avenues to point back to you. Let me show you the competition in your area. This is Certified Clean Care, and as you can see, they've got some content on their site, but not a ton, which is why when I recommend the 1,000 to 1,500 content, that's going to put you above them on any Google search, because again, the people with the most content are the ones who secure those top positions. So I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs. That just kind of gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're getting about 16 clicks per month on average, give or take a few, of course. This is kind of a rolling average, so not a ton of traffic to your website. If you're also paying for advertising, optimizing your website to work for you will bring in a lot more leads coming straight to you. So a lot of that is through keywords that you're ranking for. So if I look here at your position on Google, you've got one keyword here, Superior Carpet Cleaning Huntsville, that you're #1. Superior Carpet Cleaning. You're at #2 on that page. So you've got a couple on page 1. Overall ranking on page 1 for probably 5 keywords. So not terrible, but again, not getting a lot of traffic. So what I want to show you is, this is again your competition, Certified Clean Care. They're getting over 216 clicks to their website. So a lot more, right? Do you see how many keywords they're ranking for here? So when we look at what they're ranking for, again, getting a lot of those similar keywords. They might expand a little farther than you do, which is understandable, but getting a lot of the similar keywords that they're ranking for put on our site, or increasing the amount of things that we're ranking for, is going to really help drive this number up, as well as drive traffic to our site and overall business to our website. So that's going to be the biggest thing initially, is getting a lot of content on your site so that Google can find you easily for the services that you offer. Next, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks here, this refers to a clickable link of your website on another business's website. So think like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Those are two really good examples. They have a lot of high traffic and have good trusted relationship with Google. So a lot of that influence that they have actually gets kind of redirected to your site. That's going to cause this DR number to go up. Again, when we look at our competition, their DR is only at 10. They have some probably better referring domains because they only have 406 backlinks and their DR is quite a bit higher. You have 110 backlinks, so obviously getting some good quality referring domains to cause this DR to go up. And I show you these numbers to show you that beating them is not going to be hard, right? Going from 0 to 10 or 11 is not going to be hard with some good referring domains hosting your backlink. So again, this is totally possible. What happens when you get a backlink is you actually point it back to a keyword, which is going to help you rank higher for those keywords. So for carpet cleaning in the area that you live in, we're definitely going to add those keywords to your backlink so that the influence from the backlink points back to that keyword, allowing you to rank higher for that specific keyword. And so forth. For every backlink that we get, we can direct it to all these different keywords and again give a lot of influence to several at a time, allowing you to climb the rankings on multiple keywords. And then lastly, let's talk about this UR. This UR directly relates to citations. You probably already know, since you have a rating of 18 and are in the #1 spot here for that keyword. This keyword was carpet cleaning Athens, Alabama. So you do have the #1 spot there. Great job. This is probably where a lot of your business is coming from. People are probably just calling this number as opposed to going to your website. This is what we want, but we want to get this ranking for multiple keywords. So again, when we set up our citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in an online directory like Yelp or Yellow Pages, the more that we get for specific keywords allows us to rank in this top position for multiple keywords. So for instance, when we go back here to the keywords that you're ranking for, we want to look at Superior Carpet Cleaning Huntsville, or just Carpet Cleaning Huntsville, Alabama, and rank #1 on the GMB for that as well. Carpet Cleaning Madison, Alabama, rank #1 for that as well. And so forth. We can look at some different carpet and upholstery cleaning, rank for #1 on the GMB. You have your citations kind of point back to specific keywords, and again, you rank high on those keyword searches. So definitely there are doable ways to get more traffic to your website. There are doable ways to actually beat your competition, and it's definitely not a hard task. So again, I just wanted to give you this information on how content, citations, and backlinks would really help drive organic traffic to your site, people who are actually searching for you in your area without actually searching your business name, would be a big way to beat out your competition as well as get new leads to your business. Well, Russell, I hope you found this information helpful. Again, send me a quick email. Just tell me your thoughts on this video. But for now, that's all I have. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.